Thunderbirds, it's Coach Rea-Clark. Welcome back to PE, and today we are going to learn our last line dance for this unit, and it's called the Wobble. And the Wobble is going to be a little bit trickier than the dances that we've learned in that there are more parts. Last week we learned the Cupid Shuffle, which was 3 parts, and the Wobble is going to be 4 parts. So we're going to go over all those parts today and then do it to music. All right, so the first part of the Wobble, what we're going to do is we're going to jump forward and we're going to land really quickly on one foot and then the other. So we jump forward and then we count to 4. So jumping is 1. So it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you jump back 2, 3, 4. That's part number 1. All right, so do it with me. We're going to jump forward and then jump back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So after we jump forward and back, we're going to turn to the side and roll our hands for a count of 4. So it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then switch sides 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're jumping forward, back, rolling our hands, rolling our hands. So let's put all that together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8, and roll. 2, 3, 4, and roll. 6, 7, 8. Very good. So after we roll, then what we're going to do is a cha-cha step. So you step forward, keep your back foot back, and you're just going to rock. Step, step, bring your foot together, cha-cha-cha, and then you switch. Step forward, step back, cha-cha-cha. So if we speed it up, it would go forward, back, cha-cha-cha, forward, back, cha-cha-cha. And that's it. Okay, so we do jump forward, jump back, roll our hands, and then cha-cha step. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. So let's put that together. Here we go. 5, 6, we're gonna jump forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 6, 7, 8, and roll. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, and cha-cha-cha. Okay, and that's the third part. So our fourth part is really simple. We're just gonna walk in place for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the 4 parts. So let's put all of that together. I'm doing it really fast because the song is a little bit quicker. So we're going to start by jumping forward, rolling our hands, do our cha-cha steps, and then we'll walk in place for an 8 count. If you've noticed, the 4 steps are all 8 counts. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, jumping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do that one more time before we put music to it. Here we go from the very beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and that's it. The 4 parts to the Wobble. We're going to put it to music now. Have fun with it. Make it your own.